Hi people, welcome once again to Jumia University NG. Today I'm going to be putting you through on how to create a purchase order for Jumia Express. So you first click on products, click on fulfillment by Jumia, consignment orders, and then you would see the bulk creation button. When you click on that, you can just make sure that the shop and country is aligned with yours, and then you download your product. And now that you're on this sheet, all you need to do is fill in the quantity that you want to take to the warehouse. So if you want to take 2, 3, 10s, 100s, just fill it in and save the file. So now that you are done with filling the Excel sheet, you're going to come over to the import the catalog bar, click on it, and then drop the edited Excel sheet in that box, and voila, you can see that your import was successful. It will show in progress for a while before it would show successful. And that's all. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.